Happy Sunday, Zimbabwe. Mabo Chinobona occupies a serious position in public life, presented as a leader of women, yet increasingly defined by conduct that betrays neither leadership nor principle, but something far closer to political thuggery, dressed in ceremonial language. Sadapinda mashoko inova in attack kuna Mabo Chinomona ichibva kuna Kirina Mjati ndotobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tivila pende pake anobuda nyora chiti leadership, particularly women's leadership, demands restraint, moral courage, and an instinct to protect life, dignity, and the future. What he does not permit is the casual flirtation with the death as a political convenience. When a public figure entertains or amplifies the idea of wishing death upon Mukanya Chiwenga so that looters may consolidate unchecked control of Zimbabwe, the mask slips. What remains is not strategy, but a profoundly corrosive absence of conscience. This is not strength, it is not bravery, and it is certainly not leadership. To invoke death implicitly or explicitly as a pathway to political advantage is the language of those who fear accountability and resent um, any obstacle to extraction and plunder. It is the politics of desperate, not the disciplined, of opportunists, not national builders. What makes this posture particularly indefensible is the platform from which it is expressed. A woman entrusted with representing women should understand, perhaps better than anyone, the cost of violence, instability, and moral collapse. Women have buried their dead, raised nations in the ruins, and paid the highest price for political recklessness. To trivialize life in the pursuit of factional dominance is to betray that legacy entirely. Ndomashukano yachudzwa chinomona panguva ine naKerina Mjati achachati kachiti aiwa after his speech achitaura achiti vese vanoenda against 2030 dei vangopfudziwa mwari vatora kana kuti vafa. Panguva ino yazoonekwa kunzi munhu ari very iconic ari kuleader aiwa the move kusitopa 2030 ndivhipi Costa Nochiwenga. Panapa Kerina Mjati oya achipindura achiti uya vachishuvira VP Costa Nochiwenga kufa panguva ino hatizviexpecte kuti zvibve kune munhu anotungamirira aiwa union yemadzimai. Tudze mafungiro enyu mati kudii pamusoro pechituko ichi. Bvina kume section medu unzwa mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, chete on the bell icon.